So, a couple I came today. Comes apart. It's a little harder to do when you haven't got a full saber to keep hold of, but comes apart quite easy, goes together quite easy. When putting it into the saber, I found it easier to do separated and two separate parts. Really happy. So, looking at the coupler, one of the nice features, it allows you to rotate, so you can line the buttons up, which was my one pet bug when I originally got the saber. So now it rotates to sit in. It rotates fairly freely, but not so much that it's ever going to annoy you when you're moving. It is solid. I can pull and nothing happens. If I put pressure on there and pull, it comes straight off. So really easy to use. Putting it back in, sits in nice and easy. Very happy with it. Thank you.